jerks.
Aw, is Robin Hood mad I messed up her widow plans?
It's Robin, chubby Chad.
Let's go, Owen.
Stupid little brothers. Why couldn't I have had a little sister? Just 5 more minutes, Mom.
Mom left for work, silly.
Ah! Ah! Ugh! Oh man, I'm out of shape.
Sister, are we playing tag?
Ah! Ah! There's a plant person chasing after me! Ah! Ah!
Robin, this is a very silly game.
How did you know my name?
I'm your sister. Of course I know your name.
Sister?
Yes. Garden Watcher heard your prayers and granted them because Robin is good to her and her land.
Okay, I'll buy it. So, what's your name? Rose? Fern?
Lily, silly.
Lily, huh? Nice. So, I guess that means we can just hang out and... Wait a minute. Where's Chad and Owen?
Playing in the garden.
Okay. All right, Lily. Let's have a girls' day out. Are those carrots?
Oh.
This is gonna be interesting. Oh, this drama's so sad.
Can you believe he cut those roses to give to her?
Here, take these roses, because my love for you is forever and blue.
Well, I think this has been the most fun I've had in ages. So, thank you.
Let's do this every day, sister.
That sounds good to me, but I feel like I'm forgetting something.
I have to pee.
Just go, man. Just go.